Hi, welcome to
Live
Red
chat.
Guitar Tutorial. And this is my new video. And before you watch, please subscribe.
On YouTube.
On my YouTube channel.
Down
And
below.
for my new song, this is the. And my new cover is Hindi Ko Maintindihan. Hindi ko medyo maintindihan kung di na mga chord. So first is the E minor. Second is the L. L.
Ay, sorry, did.
It sounds like that. So next is the G clef. Here's the G. Okay, for the next, sounds like that. Okay, first. Okay, just like that. Next, for the A major, sounds like that. Okay, next is the C minor. Okay, and the D. Okay, all like this. And you have to just like this, the swipe. Okay, sounds like this. Here we go. Sa piling ko, di ko maintindihan ang aking nararamdaman. Wala sa piling ko.
Grabe, ako naman. Wow, girls! Hindi na, sir.
Thank you so much, and please subscribe. Don't
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.